Okay, we're going to go over how to use screen recording on a desktop computer. So what you'll do is you'll go to Canvas. You're going to come over here to the icons on the left-hand side where it says Studio. Click on Studio, and then you'll notice up here at the top right, you'll have Record. You're going to click on Record and then go down to Screen Capture. So we're going to capture our screen, but in order to do this, on a desktop, you're going to have to do a one-time download of some software. This isn't one that you're going to have a work order put in to have it downloaded. It should just work once you click on it. So it'll take a minute. So you'll click on download. It downloads here at the bottom left. Once it's complete, you'll just click on it, double click on it actually, so that we can run the install process. And it automatically should install. Hit OK. So now that it's installed, you can go back up here to record, screen capture. It's just kind of letting you know it's going to be running this application. You can check this box so it doesn't show every time. Click on Open Screen Recorder to launch it. Okay. It's already installed, so you can just hit cancel on this one. Or actually, it automatically went away. Okay, now what happens is it brings up this little menu. We're going to say we want to do a screen record. We can change the size. We can do full screen, active window. That means whatever's currently on the tab. Adjust it however we need to. If we want audio, like we need it to record whatever's on the computer, the sounds, or we don't want it to record the sounds on the computer. Like if we had a video or something running and we just wanted our voice to show here. Okay, and then you can also adjust the size manually on the box and you can move it around. So I want to go ahead and record this screen. So I'm going to go ahead and say full screen. And then I'm just going to come over here and click record. So now it counts down and then it tells me it's recording. So now I can record. I can actually even come over here and click to draw on it. So I can click on the little area over here, the menu, and click on the pencil. So I can, that's a backwards question mark. Sorry about that. But I can circle things. I can do whatever I need. I can erase it. So there's a little menu up here at the top that lets you change the thickness and the color and then erase. But I could also get an arrow. So whenever I'm drawing, you'll see in the recording, it'll have an arrow for it. Okay, again, let's erase. And then when you're finished, you just hit done. Or if you just need to pause it, you can hit record. It lets you pause for a minute and then record again. Okay, and then let's hit done. Okay, now we're going to go ahead and title that. I'm going to title this one delete so that I remember to delete it. Title it whatever you need to, and then hit upload. You also have the option to edit the recording. So we could come over here and hit edit. So if I need to cut out some of it, I can come over here and hit cut and then drag it and then hit OK. And same for this area over here. Like if I record it too much, I want to cut this little area, this whole area, and hit OK. So we do have editing that's available. The cursor, it's going to show it again because we have that checked saying it's going to zoom in on the cursor. I'm going to hit done. I'm going to go ahead and hit upload. Depending on how long your video is, it could take a while to process this to upload to Canvas. And then hit continue. Now you go back to your studio and then here it is. Again, it will take a little bit of time to upload.